I'm going to be unboxing this Craftsman Variable Speed Jigsaw kit that I picked up at Lowe's for $74.25. It's model CMCS60001 or 60001. 60001. Or is that a D? It's a 0. Okay. Basically, it runs on a 2.0 amp per hour lithium ion battery that's rated at 20 volts, and it has two different speeds. It comes with this 3-year warranty, 3-year limited warranty, and I was recommended to use this for cutting tile by the Lowe's associate. I'm going to be cutting that hole using the jigsaw blade by Bosch of T130DG. This one's the hard tile jigsaw blade, and you can see it's laying there. So let's just start by opening it up. Actually, what I'll do is I'll put it up here and put this on the tripod. Hopefully we can check it out. Let's start out by unboxing it, just opening it up. So this is the box. It comes basically with the instruction manual. This is the instruction manual. There's not really much to this, just like diagrams, a bunch of different languages, some instructions, RTFM, always RTFM, right? So we're going to scan that. Work area safety, okay, we looked at that. Keep area clean, keep children away. Electrical safety, body contact with ground. Anyways, personal safety, always wear protective equipment. Don't use drugs while operating this. Basically, you can look at that at your leisure. And there's some instructions about the battery. I do recommend that you read these instructions because you want to try to maximize the life of your battery as much as possible. And safety about batteries. Looking at my own batteries can actually cause fires or blow up if you're not careful with them. Anyways, so it comes with this really nice case. Here is the actual jigsaw. Nicely tacked. And it's a beautiful, beautiful little device. For $74, including the battery, the $99 battery, so you're basically getting this for about 25 bucks. So that's basically getting it. You're getting it for negative $25, I think, because you get a $99 battery for free with it, and they're only charging $74. So yeah, I hope that was right in the math. Okay. It comes with a battery. Actually, let me take that back. I think I may have misled. I was misled by the Lowe's guy. He told me it was a 4.0 battery, but it's not. It's a 2.0. So this is like a $70 battery. So you're actually paying about $4. You're paying $4 more because you get this battery for like 70 bucks. And the whole thing is 74. It's normally $99. I think Craftsman's idea of selling these products at very low prices compared to everybody else is brilliant, because hopefully more people will buy them, and they'll gain more market share, and Craftsman will make a comeback. I think they're okay. Yep, that's it. So, and then this charger. This is the charger. That's it. So, I don't know what my feelings are about the fact that the associate told me that it was a 4.0 amp per hour battery, but that's caveat buyer. Okay, caveat info. Is that right? Caveat me that I didn't check the box. So I like to keep my boxes, especially when I move or if I have to move. I like to just put all my stuff back in. Sometimes when I'm not using it for a while. It's just nice. It's rectangular. You can put them away and shelf them. Otherwise, tools get rusted and who knows what else. So the thing about this jigsaw that's cool is that it works on both types of blades. It works on a T-shaped blade, and also on these U-shank jigsaw blades. My prior jigsaw was a U-shank, and I actually damaged it buying a diamond blade from Arbor Freight and using it to cut tile. So the jigsaw motor got screwed up. So I don't know, we're going to look at this and see how it works. I don't know if I recommend it, but we're going to try it. The first thing we got to do though, before we drill into all this, is we probably need to charge the battery. And we're going to need to charge the battery, then we're going to need to drill a hole in here. So this is a masonry bait Bosch drill, 1/8, I think, 1/4, 1/4, I think in diameter. I think it's a 1/8. Yeah, it's a 1/8. So this is where it came in. It's the HCBG01T. I have this old masonry drill bit too. I might just hold it there. Anyway, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna charge it with everything and start this going.